Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need red, orange, and yellow pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and 2 pieces of string that measure about 40 inches. And then you're also going to need a piece of elastic that measures the size of your head or a little tighter. You're going to start by putting on 20 red beads, and then you'll tie this tight. Cut this off. You'll put your needle on your string. We're going to go through this red bead. You're going to add 3 red, and you're going to go through the 4th bead here. You're going to add 3 red, go through this 4th bead here, you're going to add 3 red, go through this 4th bead, three red, go through this 4th bead, three red, go through this bead, the 4th bead, and then these 2. Okay, you're going to add 3 orange, and we're going to go through the middle red, three orange, and we're going to go through this middle, three orange, go through this middle bead, three orange, go through that middle, three orange, and we'll go through this red and these 2 orange, we're going to add 2 orange and go through the middle, 2, go through this middle, 2, go through this middle, 2, go through this middle, 2, and we're going to go through this middle and these 2. We're going to add 1 orange and go through both of these, 1 orange and go through both of these, 1 orange and go through both of these, 1 orange will go through both, 1 orange, and this time we're going to go through these 2 and this one. We're going to add 2 yellow and go through this orange, 2 yellow, go through this one, 2 yellow, go through this one, 2 yellow, go through this one. 2 yellow. Whoops. We're going to go through this orange and these 2 yellow. 1 yellow, go through both of these. 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 1 yellow. You're going to go through all 3 of these beads. We're going to add 1 yellow, 1 yellow, 1 yellow, 1 yellow, 1 yellow. This time we're going to go through these 2. We're going to add 1 yellow, 1 yellow. So you're going through every other bead here. A yellow, another yellow, we're adding 1 yellow, and this time we're going to go through these 2. We're going to add a yellow, add another yellow, this time we're going to go through these 2. And we're going to go, we're not adding any beads, we're just going to go through all these beads that are sticking up. And then you'll pull this really tight. And we'll add a yellow. And then go through this bead. And then tie this. Okay, and then you're going to grab this middle one that we just added, pull it so it sticks up. And you're going to need to make 2 of those. So I already have the other one, and I measured string for the headband part. Put your needle on. And I went through about half of the beads here, so we're going to go through the bottom row. Let's see if that's even. Yeah. Okay, so once you get both of those on your string, what you're going to do is put them on your head and adjust the length that you need. You'll make a knot here, and then these should be able to move. So once you have them on, you can pull them down to adjust them how you like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.